Hi team, welcome back to my channel iDream Srikanth. So if you haven't subscribed yet, so kindly subscribe my channel so that you'll get the notifications instantly as and when I upload a new videos. Okay, so now let's start. So today I will tell you how to download TN5250 software on your system. Okay, so as usual, go to your web browser and type Google and type here tn5 sorry tn5250 emulator. Okay, so tn5250 is an emulator which will provide an access to work on AS400 servers. Okay, so the most popular website to download your tn5250 is mochosoft.dk. So we can use a service from Mochosoft, and I have seen a couple of companies which are using this Mochosoft emulator as an official software, but most of the cases mm, we have multiple emulators in an IT industry where I will tell you the list of softwares. Notepad. Okay. Microsoft is one of the software provider. They will provide you the TN5250, and we have a software called Reflection. It's an that is also TN5250 software, and Zscope, Roomba, and IBM Access for Windows, IBM Access Client, and RDI. So RDI stands for Rational Developer, and so this is equivalent to a Visual Studio. So if you see the Visual Studio, then it's same. Okay, so it's a web-based application where you'll see lot of options. You can work on the software too, and okay, and what else we have? Zscope, Roomba, and I think we have a few more emulators as well in the market, but it's not that easy to get the softwares available on Google. So these are all the licensed software, and this Microsoft TN5250 is a free software available on Google. So that's why we can use this software to download TN5250. Okay, so now click on this link. Okay, so once you click on this link, and it will show you the web page like this, and there are a number of versions. Again, for Windows you have the first one, and for I think it's supposed to Mac as well, and for different operating system we'll have a different TN5250 softwares available. And so this version is for Windows 10 and 11, but earlier I have seen there is a separate software available for Macs and other OS versions as well, but I'm not sure why it's not displayed here. Okay, so for now we need to click on this download button, and here you can see the TN5250, it's getting installed on your system, downloading on your system. So click on this. Okay, it's downloaded already. I have installed the software in my laptop, my desktop. Okay, I will click on MOCHA Microsoft Mocha TN5250. So once the software installed on your system, then this is the icon to identify, and click on this icon, and now you can see this window is getting displayed here. In generally you will not find this video. If you are seeing this window, it means already have used 30 days of trial period. Okay, so on the first day you will not see this kind of green color filled text bar like this, because this will indicate how many days are remaining and to use this software. Okay, so even though the software was expired and even though it's 30 days old software, still you can see there is a button called continue trial version. Okay, click on this button, and that will give you a temporary key where you can type in here, and that key value is nothing but 196580738. Enter the same value which is displayed above and click on OK. That's it, and now you can use the software. Okay, see, this is your login page, but in live systems you don't see this much of information available on your login page. So that will be a customized, you can customize your login page as per your requirement, or else, okay, sorry, there is a background noise because this is midnight. One moment please. See, that's a nature we have to enjoy. We don't have any other scope, so just concentrate on this subject. Okay, so now here you can see this is a welcome statement to an IBM I, and the operating system version is 7.5, so which is the latest one, and this is your server name called pub400, and this is subsystem, and this is a job name, and you will get to know all these values later once you are on middle of your once you go after some classes. Then you will come to know what is the server name and what is the subsystem and job name stands for, and how it is being used in our daily life. Okay, so there is some lot of information available on this web page, so which is not needed at this point of time, but the only thing is you need to use your user profiles which is created. So I have requested a user profile name called iDream. Where is my web browser? Firefox. It's very slow. Okay, so my user profile name is iDream, and the password which I got from them is this one. Better to copy your password instead of typing it here manually, because sometime if the password got locked and you need to raise a request again back to the users, and and you need to wait for some time to get the password reset, or else on the same website there is an option for reset your password. Earlier we don't see that option available, so we need to send an email to them, and they have to review our account and the information which we have provided, and if it is correct then only they will reset your password, or otherwise one user profile is gone. And if your user profile is not being used for more than 30 to 60 days, I think it will get logged automatically. And don't try or don't enter your password wrongly, and better to save somewhere else to avoid user ID disabled. Okay, even on live systems also, if your password if you type your password wrongly for more than 3 times, then user ID will be disabled or it will be locked. Again, you need to raise a request to the admin people to unlock your account or reactivate your account or disable or reset your password, anything. So you need to raise a request to your admin people. So that's an unnecessary headache. So better keep your password safe. Okay, already have copied this password here and I pasted it here, but you don't see the password how much length it is, and always it will remains in the first position itself, even though if it is 5 character long or 2 character long, you don't see any difference. So that's the logic here. Oh my god. See, in this Mochosoft there is one observation. If you see this online button, it means your Mochosoft server is active, where you can perform some actions, and this X-wait stands for you have performed some actions and you need to wait for until this is gone from this place. Okay, if you hover your mouse, and you can see X-wait stands for waiting on AS400. Okay, and again place the cursor here. X-lock means keyboard is locked. So if your keyboard is locked and if you see the status as X-lock, you need to press the control key to get your keyboard unlocked. Then only you can enter some values. Okay, xref to leave this field. I haven't seen this option. Error message blinked here. Only most of the times xwait, or else what else, xwait or xlock. Okay, xlock means keyboard is locked and xwait means some process is in progress. Okay, and now your session is idle for some time, so that's why the system will automatically goes into an offline mode, and after some idle period, if you type something and it will say it will show you an xwait only. So better disconnect the session. So this red color symbol over here, which will disconnect your session, and this computer symbol, it's activated now, and now you see this disconnected symbol is inactivated because already we have disconnected, and now you need to connect your server back again. Okay, pub400.com, which is my website, and you can see this is in offline mode, means it's not yet connected, and the status is also says as connecting. pub1.org.cache.de. okay, something got connected for one of the sessions, and I need to tell you that process as well. I will let you know shortly. See, if your session is got unable to connect, then you will get this window saying that sorry, we cannot create a connection to the selected AS400 server. So click on OK. So I think in one of those option we have clicked one of the options, so that's why it got connected. And but still you can see this status is as offline, means you can't able to perform anything. So ensure that your software is active. So let's give a try again. Click on this pub400.com. I just configured with that naming convention. You can give your own name over there. Just wait for some time. Mostly it will not take this much of time to get connected. See, the second option is working fine, and now you can see the status is as online and we don't have any xwait or xlog. Okay, so now it's time to enter your user ID. iDream is your user profile, and it's better to copy your password again. Quickly copy and paste. So this is a paste key. Hey, it's moved to this location. Okay, as and when you log into your session successfully, for the first time it will ask you to change your password. So the password which is given by pub400, it's expired now, and now it's time to reset your password. Okay, it's better to paste that software again, password again, and now give your new password. Okay, okay, yeah, that's it. Now you're able to log in, and this is your main screen, and mostly the look and feel is same as in live systems. Okay, this is your server name, and this is the main screen. Okay, this is a screen heading, and this is a screen name that which you have given. These are all the list of options which are available on the screen, and this is a command line where you can enter your commands, and these are all the list of functions which are available on the screen. That's it. Still your status of this software seems to be online. So still you can perform some actions. Okay, so now if you want to come out or sign off from this session, then either you need to type sign off, SIGNOFF. So there is no space in between. So type sign off from the command line and hit an enter key, or else you can enter 90 as an option on this command line. Okay, see, if you see here, either you can enter a particular selection value or else a command. Okay, so sign off is a command and 90 is a selection. Okay, so choose either one of this option. Anyway, sign off is a meaningful word. We know it will sign off, it will allow you to sign off from the session. We'll try 90 and hit an enter key. That's it. You came out of this session successfully. Again, if you want to enter login back, then again you need to enter your user ID and password here. That's it. Okay, one thing I need to tell you is how to configure your AS400 session. Okay, so go to file, and this is a file menu. On this file menu you can see edit or new session. So click on this first option, and type the values here like this. I clicked on pub 400. See the server name, this is a session name, and I will say the session name as iDream. And so this is a place where you need to type your server name or else an IP address of a server. Okay, so the server name is pub1.rz.de. okay, I'm repeating it again. Server name is pub1.rzkh.de. so the port number should be 22, and you don't need to check this one. And this is the place where you can choose whether you need a screen to be a bit smaller. Then you need to check this one, select this one, or else if you want your screen to be a bit bigger, and you can see less screen space if you choose this one, 24 lines into 80 columns, and this is 27 lines rows into 132 columns. So this is 27 into 132 screen layout. Okay, so I prefer to choose this one, 27 into 132. okay, and this device name is optional, and this is not needed at this point of time. And always, if you want to ensure your user ID is same, it's nowhere it's getting changed, then enter your user ID here, iDream. okay, if I type my password here, then you will be knowing. So enter your password here and click on enable auto login. Means as and when you click on that icon, this option will allow you to directly it will enter the values here, and it will take you to the first sign on screen, first welcome screen. okay, so it will bypass this login screen. So that's the main advantage of enable auto login. okay, I think rest of the options are not required, so leave these values as it is and click on apply and connect. See, your status changed to online. And now if you go to file option, file menu, click or edit. See, now there are three options: pub400.com, pub1.rz.kh.de, iDream. So you can choose any one of this option to use your configured values. okay, I will show you what I mean. So now if you click on this computer button, you could see three options listed here. Just now I have configured this iDream. okay, so if you click on this, the sign on screen will get displayed. okay, so the pub1.rz.kh.de, which is same as pub400, so they have redirected that server name to pub400.com. so I think 2 to 3 years back they have done this change. okay, so that's all. This is how you need to use your user profiles to sign in, and the way to configure your AS400 sessions. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. And in the next session, we'll start logging into your sessions, and we'll try to explore some commands and options which are available on the welcome screen. Okay. See you. Bye.